Hi, what's up, Axie Infinity? So, what's going on? Today video is going to be very special because I have something very secret and very important information for all my Axie Infinity holders. But kindly holders, try to understand. Remember, my brothers, to win a prize will pumps. So definitely, my friend, every coin after a pump or fails down. But absolutely, it's 100% true, my friends. To after them, absolutely every coin will also pumps up. So therefore, I will notify my viewers, my subscriber to please, if you want to get a profit, if you want to invest more, so definitely my friend, it's a very good time now because at the end of month every coin will pumps up. So therefore I will notify you, my friends, to if you want to invest for a short time now, this is very good time to you will invest now. And I am also, my friends, going to invest now in Exide and Infinity. Remember to, this is not a financial video because my friend, Exide Infinity, one of the fastest and one of the very good one of the best coin, my friends. So therefore you can see a 4.85% they will get just in only in last 24 hours. So in last 24 hours, if they will give you a 5% profit, so try to understand, my friends. So just in only in 5 to 10 days, my friends, they will give you a 10% profit. So please, holder, if you want to get a profit now, you will need, my friends, to do this. Otherwise, my friend, you will lost. My brother, my prediction is 100% going to be positive. I already predicted this coin, and my advice for all of you to please invest now. I hope, my friends, they will give you a more and more profit. So please don't starting selling, hold it and invest now. I hope they will make you millionaire now. So see you next time. Stay Exile Infinity holder, please like video, and yes, my brothers, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, otherwise you will never get a profit. My friend, Exile Infinity is also one thing, my friend, I want to tell you to in upcoming time there is a chance so they will get a very good profit, but if you are hold. So hope you understand something new in this video. Please like and subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.